Okay, so lots of people often ask what number of processes do you need to talk about? Now, there is no magic number of processes you need to talk about. The E1 criteria is a third of your grade, so it should be roughly a third of your word count. That's about 500 to 600 words, maybe to 700, but don't over credit this particular criteria because they should be weighted equally. The big thing is that we've got to look at doing it well. And so that's why I want to talk you through a little bit more of this example that a friend gave to me of this piece, because I think it really shows how to do the evaluation well. The evaluation cannot be a cut and paste of general statements. Every sentence must be clearly your topic. So when we look at this student was looking at architectural developments. They were looking at what are the features about architectural developments. And so in this, they say the literature review was essential for the contextual considerations of a development. So they're not even, they're not even saying it's just a good way to get resources. They're saying for my topic, I need this information. Then they talk about how by cross-correlating it with this other thing that they have, the BUVR report, they are able to make their work better. That could only be written for their topic. If you're doing how can we have pet dogs, you can't write about this because it's not your topic. You would have to say, why did you have to cross-correlate your particular sources? Where this student also builds the depth of their work is that they talk through examples to exactly explain how it was useful. So we've got the work of Reid Ewing et al. Was it important for ascertaining how modern developments use placemaking to achieve success? It doesn't say because he was an expert. It doesn't say because it had lots of information. It is the exact thing that source was useful for. So this is their topic. This is that student's topic only. It directly aligned with their research because it was their research. So if you're looking at other people's examples and going, oh, that's great, they said that they're really good for this or they've got that, that's not going to get you a good mark because it's interchangeable. I should know your topic in every sentence. This student also really well integrates the limitations around the sources. They don't pretend that they're perfect. You don't have to say that your interview was the best thing you've ever done. Say that it was a bit crap and explain why. So, they say it was limited in validity. They're using the research criteria. They're saying validity, reliability, credibility, currency. All those terms are so important in this. You'll see they talk about credibility down here. It's, not about having lots of this, but just enough to show that you really do understand these terms. And as we go through, you'll see that there's multiple sentences on them. One of the things that we can also see is that they go through, they link, they use linking words additionally and furthermore, but while for the most part they're in formal voice, where they need to, they do drop back into first person, totally fine because it's appropriate. Because they're saying, I had some reservations about using this because the literature wasn't specific to my topic, but I was confident because of these things. All right. So when you're looking at this stuff, make sure that it's action focused. We've got reliant on correlation. So they're talking through, how did they make it work? Well, they compared it, but it's also being very specific to their topic. So nobody else could write these sentences because nobody else did this topic. That's what you need to be doing. Good luck.